Hello, beautiful humans. Thank you so much for checking and clicking on this video today. I'm Jenna from Bomiart Movement Society, and I have a dance along and tutorial for us today for the line dance of Big Bang Boogie. And we're going to be doing this version in our chairs. So if you are ready to dance along with me, make sure you've got a comfortable clothing to be wearing, comfortable chair to be dancing in, even a couch you could do this on as well. So get yourself ready to dance along with me today. All right, here we go. We're going to start with a K step. We're going to take our right foot forward. We're going to step on the right foot. We're going to touch the left foot together, and we can add a little clap with that touch as well. So we're going to go right, left, and then we're going to step back on our left foot, left, right. So we go forward and back. So that count goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to take our right foot to the back. We're going to step back, touch your left foot in with a little clap, and then we're going to step forward on our left foot to touch that right foot in with our clap. So that's the second part of our K step. So the right foot goes back and touch and front and touch. So let's put that all together. We start with our step on the right foot. It goes right touch left, left touch right touch left, and a left touch right. All right, with the counts, 6, and you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from here, we get to shimmy and shake it on out. So we can lean it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 6, 7, 8. Now, depending on how our bodies are feeling today, we could really challenge ourselves by going forwards and backwards, or maybe we want to keep it a little bit smaller. Maybe we want to do more of like a side to side lean. We could also do that. Any version that works for our bodies today is the most important choice that we have. All right, let's put those 8 counts together, starting with our K step. 6, 7, 8. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. From here, we're going to take a grapevine to our right. We're going to step on the right foot. Take your left foot behind. Step on your right foot, and then we're going to lift up on that left foot here. So we're taking a little hitch. So it goes right, right, hitch. Different. We're going to touch it out to the side with that left, lift it back up, touch it to the side with that left, and bring it back up. All right. So that goes right, right, hitch and touch it out and touch it out. Good. Now, if going to the side doesn't feel so good for those touches, we could also take that to the front. So if we would take our grapevine to the right, we would touch it forward and up, forward and up. So do you make the choices that you need? All right, here we go. So the grapevine to the right. Oh, another option as well. If we don't want to cross those feet behind, we could go step together, step up, touch it, and touch it. Okay. All right, so let's look at those options, putting that all together. Grapevine to the right. So we go right, right, up, and touch it out, and touch it out. Then we would repeat the exact same thing to the left. So we just lifted up that left leg. We're going to take our grapevine to the left. It's going to go left, up. Now the right foot touches, right foot touches. All right. So let's put those two phrases together. So we're going to take our grapevine to the right with the 2 touches and then the grapevine to the left. 6. Here we go. We got a right, hitch, touch, lift, left, left, hitch, touch, up, touch, up. All right, let's put that all together from the top. So we start with our K steps, we got our little shimmies, and then we got our grapevines with our lifts. 5, 6, here we go. We got a K, step it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shimmy, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grape it out to the right. 2, 3, up and touch and lift and touch and lift. To the left we go with the touch and up and the touch and up. All right. Feel how we doing right now? Check in with yourself. And if you could do me a big favor while we just take a little quick break, little breather for ourselves, if you could do me that huge, huge favor, hitting that subscribe button, liking and commenting below really helps out with the algorithm here on YouTube. So the more content and the more information I receive from you all, the better these videos are at being able to be shared with other people here in this community that may be really needing some inclusive line dance content. So if you could do me that favor, just share this video with your friends. Getting these videos out really builds up our community here together. All right, here we go. Let's continue. We're going to take 2 V steps, or forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. So we're going to start with that right foot. It's going to go forward on the right, forward on the left, back with the right, and back with the left. Again, forward and back and back. Even counts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put that all together, adding that little phrase on. Here we go, from the K step to start. 5, 6, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the right. We take our grapevine up, touch it, and we take our grapevine to touch and touch up, step, step, in, forward, forward, back, back. All right, great job. We just have one more 8 count left. Here we go. So we just finished our V step. We went right, left, right, left. We're going to take our heel forward. So we're doing a little rotation. Heel, step, left, step. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, of course, if we don't want to rotate, we sure don't have to. Touch it forward and forward. So that way we stay more parallel in those hips if that feels better for our hip sockets today. So finding the version that is right, we right foot goes forward, right and left, and then we get some little swivels here. We're going to take just a little 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just kind of picking up those heels, finding that little rotation. Now again, if rotating doesn't feel great on our knees, and depending on the surface that we're dancing on, we can always do some heel drops as well. You could even do some toe taps too. We can play around with it, make it your own for those last 4 counts. So that last 8 count, one more time. Right foot goes right and left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'd be ready to start our K step all over again. All right, let's put this entire dance together. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, we got a K step as we dance it on out, as we shimmy it forward. 3, 4, back, 6. Now the grapevine, right with the hitch to touch it, and grapevine to the left as we touch it, and V step it out, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, right foot and left foot, and we swivel it one more time, front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, great job, everyone. That is the entire tutorial for our Big Bang Boogie. Yes, it is just a little bit longer than some of the other dances that we've done here together. So feel free to go back, keep rewinding, keep practicing those steps. Otherwise, when you are ready, we're going to join together right here with our music. K step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shimmy it on out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 6. Grapevine it out to the right. 2, 3. Lift and touch and up and touch and up. To the left we go and touch it out. And front, front and back, back, front, front and back, back. Right foot and left foot. And swivel those hips. Here we go. In a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shimmy 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 6. To the right we go with our grapevine. Up, touch it out, and up we go. Left, 2, 3, up, and touch and lift, and touch and lift. Find that V step. Bring it on back and a front, front and back, back. Tap it right and left, and swivel it out. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we take it, shimmy it out. So making it your own, finding that range of motion that we need as we go through our dance together today. And 1, 2, 3, up, and take it all out. V step it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a front, front, back, back, and a right foot and a left foot. And again, we can decide what we want to do for these last 4. 1, 2, and K step it out. And we shimmy it. 2, 3, 4, and back. 6, 7, 8, and to the right. Lift it up and touch and lift. touch and lift. Now, as you start to get more comfortable with it, you can always add that upper body if you want to. Here's the same arm as leg. That's an option. And tap it, and tap it. Swivel in, out, and K-step. And 2, and 3, and 4, and shimmy it. 2, 3, 4, and take it on back as we grapevine. And we lift it, touch it, and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, and we V-step it. And this is 2. And we tap it, and we tap it, and 5, 6, 7, 8, back to the top. And 2, and 3, and 4, and we shimmy it. 2, 3, 4, and a back. 6, 7, 8, and grapevine. Lift it up. Again, we can always tap it front as well, if that feels better for the hips as we keep dancing. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, same idea. We can go forwards, not worrying about that rotation, just going up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, using that upper body as much as you want. And letting it all go. And to the right. And tap it. Tap it out, and 1, 2, 3, up and tap. And tap. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Touch it, and touch it. And swivel it out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finish. Thank you all so much for dancing along with me today. I hope you are proud of yourself, and please know that you just took care of that physical, mental, emotional, and social health while you're dancing along with me. So I have so much gratitude and appreciation for everybody here in this community that continues to grow. I just can't believe it. So I have so much gratitude. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you. And make sure you check out that next video.